In multiplying fractions, so as you can see the given 4 over 15 times 5 over 8. So you have to look for the common factors of 15 and 5, which is 15 and 5 are divisible by 5. So what is 15 divided by 5? So it's 3, while 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, and then after that, you look at 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? And now, after finding their common factors, you can directly multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So in this case, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So therefore, the answer when you multiply 4 over 15 and 5 over 8 is 1 over 6. Okay? That's all. Bye.